Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy. Through this video, we'll be discussing an engineering recruitment notification. As you can see here on the screen, Bharat Electronics is going to recruit engineers in various engineering disciplines. To know about this recruitment notification in detail, please watch the whole video. And if you have any question, please let us know by commenting below in the comment box. So friends, before we begin, I would like to inform all of you that here in Exams Made Easy, you can get each and every engineering recruitment notifications every day. So if you're watching our videos for the first time and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and never forget to press the all notification bell icon to never miss any upcoming updates. So friends, this is the website by following which you can get each and every information regarding the recruitment notification that has been released by Bharat Electronics. So if you look at the first post, that is trainee engineer, total number of vacancies 16. Trainee engineer in the electronics engineering discipline, and trainee engineer in mechanical engineering discipline, vacancies 11. Trainee engineer computer science, vacancy 6. Trainee officer finance, vacancy is 2. And upper age limitation as on 1st of September 2020 is 25 years for general category of candidates. For SC ST 5 years age relaxation is permissible, for OBC 3 years, and for person with disabilities age relaxation of 10 years is permissible as per government norms. If you look at the project engineer in electronics engineering discipline, total number of vacancies 22. Project engineer mechanical engineering, total vacancy 5. Project engineer computer science, vacancy is 1. Project officer human resource, vacancies also 1. And for project engineer, friends, upper age limitation is 28 years. And friends, I'd like to inform you that you will minimum post qualification experience is required for both the posts. For trainee engineers post qualification experience 1 year is required, and for project engineers post 2 years post qualification experience is required. And friends, age limitation, as I already have told, 28 years, and age relaxation is permissible for SC ST and OBC as per the government norms. So friends, what are the procedures of application? What will be the pay that will be provided? So initially, for trainee engineers, for the first year you will be paid rupees 25,000. On the next year 28,000, followed by 31,000 in the third year, in this way. And if you look at the project engineer, in the first year you will be paid 35,000, then 40,000, then 45,000 onwards. And friends, for trainee engineer, educational qualification is B or BTech. For electronics, B or BTech in electronics and communication engineering, or electronics engineering, electronics and technology, or telecommunication. For mechanical engineering discipline, trainee engineer, BE BTech in mechanical engineering only. For computer science, BE BTech or BSc in computer science. But for trainee officer, MBA in finance is required. Now coming to project engineers, friend. For project engineer electronics, same qualification is required as trainee engineer, and project engineer mechanical also same qualification is required. Only post qualification experience is 1 year more than the trainee engineers, as I have mentioned earlier also. And for project officer also same qualification is required, but experience 1 year more post qualification experience is required. So friends, coming to the other informations, as I already have mentioned that for trainee engineer 1 year post qualification experience is required, and for project engineer 2 years post qualification experience is required. So now friends, coming to the other informations, like what are the disciplines in which you have to have your experience, that are here in the you can get this PDF copy from our Telegram channel. If you have not yet joined our Telegram channel, link is available in the description box of this video itself. By joining our Telegram channel, you can download this official PDF copy of the notification. Also friends, link is available in the description box, by following which you can download directly this notification. So coming to the other informations, like how to apply. So friends, let me inform you that I already have mentioned the website link, by following which you can apply online. And friends, our application procedure has already been started, and it will continue till 22nd of September 2020. And for trainee engineer, examination fee or application fee of rupees 200 will be required, and for project officer or project engineers rupees 500 is required. But for person with disabilities, for SC and ST category of candidates, they are exempted from payment of application fee, so no application fee is required for them. And friends, what is the procedure of selection? So I would like to inform you that aggregate marks secured in the BE or BTech, that weightage is given 75 to the marks that has been secured in BE or BTech, and in qualification carries 10 marks and interview carries 15 marks. So in total it is 100 marks. In this way will be shortlisted. So friends, application link is also available in the description box, by following which you can apply online. And as I already have mentioned, that official notification, that what I am analyzing at present, as you can see here on the screen, you can avail this PDF copy also by following link which is available in the description box. Thanks for watching the whole video. If you would like to get notified with this kind of videos every day, please subscribe our channel and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any further updates. Thank you.